So at the beginning today we are going to learn about autism spectrum disorder, or it's called ASD. We will look at what ASD is, how it affects students socially, emotionally, and academically, and how family and education assistants work together to support students. My goal is for you to understand not only the characteristic of ASD, but only how we can create a supportive environment for students and families. The basic behavior that characterize ASD. People with the ASD often have challenging with the communication and social interaction. For example, they may have difficult with the back and forth conversation. They may seem uninterested in discussion that don't relate to their own interest. They may find it hard to build or maintain relationships. Emotional interaction can also be difficult, meaning things like reading body language or responding appropriate to in social situations. Diagnosis criteria. ASD is diagnosed using two main categories: social diagnostic, and behavioral diagnostic. A social diagnostic feature difficult with the emotional reciprocity, challenging with the nonverbal communication, trouble forming or maintain relationships. Behavior diagnosis feature repetitive movement, a strong need for routine, intense, highly focused, interested, sensory sensitivity, for example, loud noise, bright light, or certain texture. These behavior must be presented early in development to receive a formal diagnosis. Level of autism. There are three levels used to describe support needs. Level 1, required support. Level 2, required substantial support. Level 3, required very substantial support. These levels help educators and families determine what kind of accommodation and intervention a child may need. The causes and impact of ASD. The causes: family used to be incorrect blame for causing autism. We know this is not true now. Autism is not caused by environmental or vaccine do not cause autism. Instead, genetics play a significant role, with the research suggesting 60 to 80% of ASD traits come from genetic factors. Impact. The social emotional impact. ASD can affect students socially, emotionally, and academically. So, social emotional impact: difficult forming friendship, struggle with the conversation, difficult coping with the change in the routine, trouble participate in group activities. Academic impact: some students may perform below grade level. Sensory processing issue can make focusing difficult. Noise, light, or classroom stimulation can affect learning. Family involvement. Family involvement play a major role in the child's success. So family can support children by providing emotional encouragement, keeping home routine consistent with the school routine, reinforce skills taught at school. Researchers show that when the family positively engage with the educator, students show better social, emotional, and academic outcome. How education assistant collaborate with the parent. Education assistant must work closely with the parents. Here are key strategies you can use. Open and transparent communication. This builds trust. Keep parent update about the child day progress and any change. Communication can be through face-to-face conversation. Zoom, phone call, weekly progress report. The second, appreciation of the family diversity. The families come from different culture, background, and belief systems. We must respect these differences and adjust our strategy to support the child effectively. The third, parent empowerment. Parents know their child best. Encourage them to participate, share insight, and be part of decision making. This feedback helps shape better learning strategy for the student. The fourth, resource and training. Introduce the parent to helpful tools such as reading app and workshop. When parents feel confident implementing strategy at home, student benefit great. What the another organization that support the children? The first, Erin Oak Kid Institution. Erin Oak Kid is the largest children treatment center in Ontario. They offer therapy, assessment, skill building programs, and parent workshop. They also provide community support and connect families so they don't feel isolated. The second organization, Association of Science in Autism Treatment, ASAT. ASAT focus on evidence-based practice. They provide webinars, training, and research support resources to help families and professionals make informed decisions. The role of education is assistance supporting students with the ASD. EAs play an essential role in student success. Your responsibility as EA may include helping creating and following individualized education plan, IEPs, provide one-on-one academic and behavioral support, maintaining predictable routine, supporting social skill development through guide interaction, using communication strategy tailored to the student, like using visual pixels, offering sensory breaks or calming activities, give positive feedback, prize and reward, and showing empathy and patience, working directly with the family to ensure consistency between home and school. E8 help build an environment where autistic students can learn, grow, and feel included. Conclusion: students with the ASD have unique communication, behavior, and social needs, but with the consistent support from families, educators, and EA, they can thrive academically and socially. Our goal is to collaborate, and respect diversity, and always approach support with the empathy and understanding. Thank you so much, and I hope explained all the information clearly.